Meta opens its next phase of ad transparency. So Meta's the other big player. They got to be sitting there looking at Google and Apple like, hey, yo, please, hey, man, revenue down.
Remember the good old times?
Like VR and stuff, not really there yet. Still got to do a little bit of the ad stuff. Not cool. So I guess they increased their ad transparency so users are more likely to stay opted in. Meta on Tuesday announced it would now include information on how it uses machine learning to deliver ads, increasing transparency since Meta and others, including Google, have launched independent tools to tell users why they're seeing the ads they do. A big part of this is the communication around it. By default, the human wants the privacy. But if you can explain things well enough, and if you're believable enough, and if people trust you, then they don't mind as much. So if you say, you're seeing this ad because we think this is useful, because if we are wrong, please tell us, you make it feel like a two-way street. It's a different story.
More knowledge, more transparency.
A consistent answer was that we should increase our transparency around how our machine learning models contribute to the ads people see on our services. This is them looking for feedback, and that's what people said. People want to find Meta's ad controls. Marketers will be able to access ad preferences from additional pages. So again, this is exactly like Google. It's the marketer and the marketed. They get to kind of have a more elegant handshake and say, I definitely don't want to see any of that.
Yeah, or this is exactly what I want to see.
And this is who I am. And this is what I'm willing to share with you about who I am. And other stuff than that, please leave me alone. But this is what you can know about me, and I'm going to manually opt in to whichever details I feel like sharing and to whatever extent I feel like sharing that. So